Hey guys, as you can see from the title, I will be sharing my experience at the Pokemon Cafe in Tokyo with you. But before we go there, here are some useful bits and bobs that I would like to share with you. Also, a big shout out to Helen for finding and booking this cafe for us before we went to Japan. Thanks Helen! Okay, let's go! The Pokemon Cafe and Pokemon Center Tokyo DX opened this year on 14th of March. Sadly, the Pokemon Cafe does not do walk-ins, so you must make a reservation beforehand. Now, if you search for the Pokemon Cafe on Google, this is what you'll probably find, the official Pokemon website. Here you can find information about the opening times and address of the new Pokemon Cafe and Pokemon Center. You can also find information about the freebies and products you receive upon your visit. As cute as this website is, unfortunately this is not where you make a reservation. To make a reservation, you need to go to a separate website, www.pokemoncenter-online.com/cafe. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. If you're a Pokemon keen bean like myself, you can browse through the cafe's menu and take a look at the super cute food they have.
Matapod.
Once you're ready, go ahead and hit that reservation button on the top right. Now, if you're using Google Chrome, you can easily ask Google to translate this website for you if you don't understand Japanese. Now, if you can't translate the website for whatever reason, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. I'll quickly walk through it with you guys. After clicking on the blue continue button, you'll end up here. This is where you can select the number of guests, including yourself. Remember, you can only make a booking for a maximum of 4 people. Do note that you can't change the number of people once you've confirmed your booking. Anyway, so here is a calendar. You can book 1 month in advance by pressing this link here. It will take you to next month's calendar. So the dark grey boxes with kanji characters meaning manseki indicates this day is fully booked. You can only select from the light grey boxes. Let's see, it's quite fully booked, isn't it? So let's just go for next week. Highlight your preference and click on the blue button again. Next, you'll land on this page with the available time slots. There are 4 different seating areas, A, B, C and D, D being the counter table. Bear in mind, you do get 1.5 hours of dining time. You can see there are only 4 time slots left, so let's go for this one. By clicking on the time slot you've chosen, you'll be directed to this page where you fill in your name and contact details. For the first box, you can fill in your name in English. However, the second box requires you to write down the phonetics of your name in hiragana. You can try googling your name in hiragana or just simply pop over to Google Translate to get this done. Let's just say my name is Alice Pikachu. The phonetics in hiragana would be written like this. As for your contact number, it may surprise you, you don't actually need an area code. Here I just punched in the UK mobile number. Finally, fill in your email address in the last box. Once everything has been filled out, you can continue to the next bit. Now this is a tough part. You need to decide if you want these special Pokemon Cafe goodies. You get to choose from 2 cute Pikachu soft toy keyrings and a set of plastic folders. You can even purchase them all in a set. Because I'm reserving a table for 4 people, I get to choose 4 different items from the list. Let's pretend I'm getting 2 of these sets and 2 different soft toys. Just to let you guys know, you can't purchase these products on the day. These are special products which can only be purchased online along with your reservation. The white button on the left means you don't want to buy any of these things. The blue button on the right means continue to the next bit. And this is the part where you fill in your name and card details to pay for the things you've selected. Once again, click on the blue button on the right to confirm your details. Now what if I change my mind? Don't worry, just go ahead and click on the white button on the left and it'll take you back to the previous page. You can just go straight to the white button on the left, which means nah, I don't want anything. Voila! This is the final page where you confirm your booking details. A booking will be made under your name along with all the info you've given them. Everything looks good, so let's hit that blue button. Now they will send you a confirmation email about this as well. Okay, now we're ready for the Pokemon Cafe. Go, go, go!
Good morning. We are going to the Pokemon Cafe,
right?
Yeah, Pokemon Cafe. We are going to the Pokemon Cafe.
Why couldn't they just... I was 550 meters, that's one club.
Hey Helen.
Hi.
Where are we going today?
Went to Pokemon Cafe today.
Yay.
This was really unexpected. We managed to catch the cherry blossoms when we arrived in Tokyo. There were so many sakura trees in Nihonbashi. It certainly made our journey to the Pokemon Center extra magical. The Pokemon Cafe and Center are both inside a commercial building, hidden off the main road. We got a bit lost and couldn't find it initially, but a really kind passerby saw how lost we looked and directed us to another street off the road.
He somehow knew where we were going. He must have been a fellow Pokemon trainer.
As soon as you get out of the lift, you will be greeted by a giant Snorlax along with Mew and Pikachu. That's when you know you're at the right place.
And we're here. You'll find plenty of cute Pikachu decor around you.
There's even a board to remind you that the cafe only accepts reservations.
As soon as you enter the cafe, you'll find shelves on your left filled with Pokemon merchandise that are exclusive to the Pokemon Cafe. You can't get these anywhere else, not even the Pokemon Center.
Okay, I wish I knew this before I went to the cafe. Remember to bring a folder with you. Yes, a folder, because these table mats are for you to take home. I saw some people who came well prepared. They bought folders so they can take these mats without creasing them. I didn't have a folder, so I rolled mine into a scroll. Hiya! Anyway, let's order some food. You can simply place orders by selecting what you want on an iPad. Don't worry, they have an English menu option on the screen. Since we're waiting for our food, let's take a tour around the cafe. Remember I mentioned about the different seating areas earlier? Well, this is the counter table. You can see some of these seats have a special brown bag. These are seats for people who bought the exclusive Pikachu goodies with their reservation. I wonder what they bought. It's pretty impressive that everything looks just like the pictures on the menu. Another fun fact is that you can buy these mugs with a latte. There's an option for this on the iPad. Apart from having Pokemon food, you also get to see Pikachu. Isn't it cute? Now for every drink you order, you get one free Pokemon coaster. They give it to you by playing a game with you on an iPad. You basically have to tap one of those Pikachu pictures on the screen and it will tell you that you've won something. The prizes may vary depending on the card you pick, but you are guaranteed to get a coaster. It's so cute! Time for some dessert. Here we have an Eevee chocolate and coffee sundae. It has coffee jelly bits at the bottom. Over here we have a Lapras sundae which has soda jelly bits at the bottom. Check out this massive Mimikyu pancake. Honestly speaking, I don't think the food was extremely delicious. It wasn't bad, don't get me wrong. I just think it's more about the cuteness and presentation rather than the taste. A Pokemon themed cafe is not something that you'd see every day. It was certainly a really fun experience.
Now, if you're still not full from your meal, you can always grab some Pokemon donuts and biscuits on your way out. So that's my day at the Pokemon Cafe. Thanks for coming with me, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.